So today we were going to be looking at 4 different penguins: pirate penguin, cuddles, wizard penguin, and painter. And we are going to use their path of their function equation and graph their line to see which of the penguins get to catch fish tonight and who is going to swim right past the fish. So to get us started, I'm going to do pirate penguin with you. So everyone look at pirate penguin. On pirate penguin here, we have our x values to plug into our function equation. So our function equation, it tells us his path that pirate's going to take is x plus 3. So I'm going to take my x value and plug it in where x is. So y is going to equal -2 plus 3. My signs are different. I subtract to get 1. And then I'm going to make my order pair. So when x is -2, y is 1. Now I'm going to move to my next x value. X is -1, so y equals -1 plus 3. -1 plus 3 is 2, so when y is -1, x is 2. Now I'm going to plug in my next value. Y equals 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3, so I've got 0 for x and 3 for y. Now I'm going to plug in my next x value. What if x was 1? 1 plus 3 is 4. So if x is 1, y is 4. And for our last one, what if x was 2? If x is 2, we plug it in. X plus 3 is 5. If x was 2, then y would be 5. Now we have the coordinates of pirate's path. So we're going to come down here and we're going to use pirate's path. So I'm going to look at my graph, and remember, we always want to start at 0, 0, the origin. So I'm going to make it so we can see our points and our graph, hopefully. So let's look here. Our first point is -2, 1. So I'm going to come over to -2. We always do x first. Remember, this is the x and this is the y. So we go over to -2 and up 1. Then we have -1, 2. So I go over to -1 and up 2. Then I have 0, 3. So I start at 0 and then I go up 3. Then I have 1, 4. So I go over 1 and up 4. And lastly, I have 2, 5. Go over 2 and up 3, 4, 5. And when we connect our dots, if we just connect the dots, we are not going to see if our penguin gets fish or not. We have to extend it all the way to the end. Now, if you read the directions, the end of our graph, to see if it's going to catch fish. So even though those are our dots, we must extend the line all the way if it kept going, because this is his whole path. The directions did say use a different color pencil so you can clearly tell your lines. It would also be helpful if you label it. So this was pirate, because in the end, we want to know which penguins will catch the fish. So now you find the path of Cuddles, Wizard, and Painter and figure out which penguins, there could be more than one, that catch fish today.